let me show you what it's like the day after it rained. In the distance, the lake is really full. I'm just walking down to the creek line on the property, and we've had 54 millilitres of water, of rain. And this is what happens when it rains heavily all day long, most of the night. This is the creek. Goes around there. Lots of rain, lots of water. It ends up down at the lake. We'll come around this way. Everything's really wet. The grass is green. Native trees are flowering. So look at that. Beautiful. See the creek through the trees, and everything is thriving. This is the lower point. When we do get lots of rain, sometimes it kind of pools in the bottom there around the big trees. It's not too bad. All the native grevilleas are flowering. Beautiful acacia. Everything's flowing nicely. Look at that. You can hear all the birds and the crickets and the frogs. Staghorn fern, or the big staghorn I should say, is loving it. Really good. Everything is green, fruit trees. We've planted some more natives here. This is going to help soak the water in future if we keep getting more rain. Well, we'll definitely get more rain. It's not too bad. Some new tree there. Looks great.